Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Arch Zenith, your cozy corner of the internet, where we believe that everyone deserves to live in a space that feels like home, but looks like $1,000,000. Now, I have to tell you, I am so excited about today's video because we're diving deep into something that I get asked about constantly. How do you make your home look expensive and luxurious without actually spending a fortune? How do you create that timeless, sophisticated aesthetic that makes people walk into your space and just, wow? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain and sharing 10 timeless design secrets that professional interior designers have been using for decades. These aren't trendy tricks that'll look dated in a year. These are foundational principles that create lasting elegance and sophistication. The best part? Most of these tips cost very little to implement, but the impact, oh my goodness, the impact is incredible. We're talking about transforming your space from nice to where did you get your designer level gorgeous. So grab your favorite cozy drink. I've got my coffee right here. Get comfortable. And let's spend the next few minutes together discovering how to bring that dream home aesthetic to life. And if you're new here, welcome to our little design family. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we share fresh inspiration every day. Trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to be looking at your space with completely fresh eyes, and you'll have a clear roadmap for creating the elegant, timeless home you've always dreamed of. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Start with a neutral foundation. First up, neutral colors are your best friend. Think creamy beiges, soft grays, warm taupes, and classic ivory. These aren't boring. They're actually the secret to looking expensive. Here's why. Neutral tones create this gorgeous, calming backdrop that makes everything else in your room pop. The best part? You can easily switch up your look with different throw pillows, artwork, or seasonal decor without having to repaint. It's like having a designer wardrobe for your walls, timeless pieces that never go out of style. Segment 2. Upgrade your hardware. Okay, this one's a game changer. Upgrade your hardware. I'm talking about cabinet knobs, drawer pulls, door handles, even your light switch covers. Swap out those builder-grade pieces for brushed brass, matte black, or brushed nickel finishes. This tiny change makes such a huge impact. It's like putting on jewelry. It pulls the whole look together, and shows that you pay attention to details. And trust me, guests notice these things, even if they don't realize it consciously. Segment 3. Declutter like a pro. Nothing screams expensive like a clutter-free space. I know, easier said than done. But here's the thing. When you have too much stuff out, even beautiful things start to look chaotic. The key is being selective about what you display. Keep surfaces mostly clear and invest in beautiful storage solutions. Woven baskets, elegant boxes, or hidden storage that serves double duty. Every item that's visible should earn its place. Segment 4. Invest in quality fabrics. This one's huge. The quality of your fabrics instantly affects how expensive your home looks. We're talking about rich textures like velvet, linen, silk, and wool. Even if you can't afford to reupholster your entire sofa, you can add luxury through throw pillows, blankets, and curtains. Layer different textures together, maybe a chunky knit throw with some velvet pillows. This creates depth and visual interest while making everything feel more high-end. Segment 5. Lighting is everything. Lighting can make or break your space. Ditch those basic ceiling fixtures for something with personality. A gorgeous chandelier, sleek pendant lights, or elegant wall sconces. But here's the pro tip. Layer your lighting. You want ambient lighting for overall illumination, task lighting for specific activities, and accent lighting to highlight beautiful features. And always use warm-toned bulbs and add dimmers where you can. It's instant ambience. Segment 6. Add architectural details. Crown molding, baseboards, wainscoting. These architectural details are like makeup for your walls. They add instant sophistication and make even basic rooms look custom and high-end. Don't worry. You don't need ornate Victorian details. Simple, clean lines work beautifully in modern homes too. The key is consistency. If you add molding to one room, carry that style throughout your home. Segment 7. Embrace symmetry. Symmetry equals sophistication. It's a design principle that never fails. Think matching table lamps on nightstands, identical chairs flanking a fireplace, or perfectly scented artwork above a sofa. This doesn't mean everything has to be exactly identical. You can have variations in color or texture while maintaining that balanced, intentional look that screams professionally designed. Segment 8. Create a signature scent. Here's something most people overlook: scent. Luxury hotels know this secret. A signature fragrance makes your space memorable and creates atmosphere. Choose 1 or 2 scents and use them consistently throughout your home. I love candles with sandalwood or bergamot. Reed diffusers with subtle florals or simply fresh flowers. The key is subtlety and consistency. You want people to notice it without being overwhelmed. Segment 9. Floor-to-ceiling curtains. Want to make your ceilings look taller and your windows more dramatic? Hang your curtains all the way from ceiling to floor. This is such an easy trick that makes any room look more expensive. Choose luxurious fabrics like linen or silk in neutral tones, and make sure they're wide enough to fully cover the window when closed. The flowing fabric softens hard architecture and adds that elegant, finished look. Segment 10. Make a statement with art. Finally, artwork. One large statement piece often looks more expensive than lots of small items scattered around. Think oversized photography, bold paintings, or even a beautiful mirror that acts as art. The key is choosing pieces that complement your color palette while adding personality. Don't be afraid to go big. A properly sized piece of art can transform an entire wall and make your whole room feel more sophisticated. And there we have it, my friends. 10 timeless design principles that will completely transform how your home looks and feels. But you know what? This isn't just about making your space look expensive. It's about creating a home that truly reflects who you are and supports the life you want to live. I want you to take a moment and think about this. Every single one of these tips is really about intention. When you choose quality over quantity, when you pay attention to those little details, When you create harmony through symmetry and balance, you're not just decorating a space, you're crafting an experience. Your home should be your sanctuary, your happy place, the spot where you can truly exhale and be yourself. And when that space also happens to look absolutely stunning, well, that's just the cherry on top. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, this all sounds amazing, but where do I even start? Here's my advice. Pick one tip, just one, that really spoke to you today. Maybe it's finally upgrading those cabinet knobs you've been staring at for months. Or maybe it's investing in one gorgeous throw pillow in a luxurious fabric. Start small, but start with intention. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your dream home doesn't have to be either. Every beautiful space is created one thoughtful choice at a time. And speaking of connecting, if you found value in this video, if it gave you that little spark of inspiration or that aha moment, would you do me a huge favor and give it a thumbs up? It truly helps more people discover these ideas, and it lets me know that this content is serving you well. If you haven't already, I'd be absolutely honored to hit the subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. We share fresh inspiration, practical tips, and home transformations every single day. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Remember, you have everything within you to create the beautiful, timeless home of your dreams. It's not about having a perfect space, it's about creating a space that's perfectly you. Until next time, keep designing the life you love, one beautiful detail at a time. I'll see you soon.